Using implicit differentiation, find dy over dx in terms of x and y. So we're going to differentiate all of this equation in terms of x. So derivative of x squared, that's a 2x, plus derivative of y squared, power rule first, times the chain rule. We have to multiply by the derivative of y itself. That's a dy over dx. Here we had to apply chain rule too, but the derivative of x is dx over dx, which is equal to 1, right? So we don't have to worry about chain rule if the term has only variable x. Okay, so all of this expression is equal to, now we have to find the derivative of x times y. This is product of x and y, right? So we have to apply the product rule. So derivative of x is 1. We have to leave y alone, plus leave x alone, multiply by derivative of y. Derivative of y is dy over dx. Now we have to simplify this equation and solve for dy over dx. Since we have dy over dx in this term and this term, we're going to do some algebra to solve for dy over dx. So 2y dy over dx minus x dy over dx is equal to 1 times y minus 2x here, right? So 2x. So factor dy over dx, that's 2y minus x here, y minus 2x here. So dy over dx is equal to y minus 2x over 2y minus x.